Many fans are convinced Qatar has been cheated in their game against Switzerland as the penalty they conceded was not supposed to stand because the Swiss striker was offside. The incident has created a lot of controversy for so many fans because FIFA refused to produce a VAR review for the moment and just went on to review only the penalty that ended up being scored by Embolo to give Switzerland the lead. Do you think Qatar was cheated because that looked like a moment VAR was supposed to look at, but they didn't? Luckily, Qatar managed to score in the last minute and grab a point to keep the table flat with 1 point for all the nations. What did you think of the decision? Was it a fair decision, or was it supposed to be ruled out? Drop in the comment section.